Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today this is the last position of signal from my expert advisor. It's currently selling in gold, and then let me check to okay this one. It means that the trend for gold right now is currently going down. Okay, the gold is currently in going down, and then this is the trend because the open position from gold is currently the same with the EA. So EA open sell, and then gold make some profit. So and this is the same. This is the pound yen. Let me check to the pound yen, which one is the pound yen. Pound yen, it's currently in another selling position, the same with the open. And then when the signal is already the same with the open, it means the trend is currently built up, and that's why this is the pound yen is currently going low for a while, and then we can say if it can make some new low again, then it will be a good for the pound yen. Let me check this one. This one is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is currently another signal, and then this is the sell for Euro New Zealand, and then the price is currently going down, and then it was the same with the open position that I'm using EA. Okay, so okay, this one, look at this one. This is the euro dollar. Let me check on the euro dollar. EA is already open so many position. First, this is the buying signal, and then 1.0883, this is the buying, and then from this open position the euro pound is currently going down, because you know what, if we trying to if the EA is giving us signal for buying, then we have to selling in our account. After giving some signal for buying, then price is going low, and then another signal release for selling. Unfortunately, after release for signal is from this area, and then the price is currently making some flat 1.0850, and then another signal is released with the 1.0859 is currently a little bit flat, the same with this area. So so many flat, guys. After giving a signal for buying around this 1.0859, price is currently going down. This is one is going down from this peak. From this peak 1.0859, price is moving low, and then this moving low for about almost 100 pip, guys. Selling, and then another buying, and then after giving us signal for buying in 1.0748, this price is currently going down. This is the last signal that it's giving from the euro dollar. It means that the last signal is not the same with the trend. Right now euro dollar is currently going down, but the last signal giving from the euro dollar is buying. So we can say I will waiting another signal for gold, for euro dollar to give this signal. So will adding another selling or buying, I never know, but we'll try uh, to we'll try to follow the we'll try to counter trend the signal that it's giving from the euro dollar. So if the signal in the euro dollar giving us the signal for selling, so I'll stop this one. I will buy with the hedge position for about maximum is 20 pips from the open position. Okay, so this one I want to try according to signal from the gold that I want to try to follow this trend, because the last signal that gold giving us is currently the same with the trend sell from 2344.82, this one. So we are currently trying to follow this trend with the sell now. So we will avoid this buying signal, this buy stop we will be avoid. So I will not trying to buying, but according to this EA I will try to add another sell position. Okay, let me check and then let me try to follow this the signal. So according to 15, this is the 15 and we have some bullish engulfing, so will be good if we are waiting, maybe moving up a little bit from this area, maybe 23.93.39 or maybe 37. That will be good for us to add another selling position. Okay, and then expected that today gold will be going down. That was my expected, because it's currently gold is currently playing below this the red EMA. Okay, so hopefully soon as possible that the gold will be going down soon as possible, even in the 1 hour. Let me see to the 1 hour gold still actually still can do another hair again. So another pair is so many managed. Look at this one, Aussie New Zealand. Let me check to the Aussie New Zealand. Let me check the trend is the same or not. Okay, look at this one, the Aussie New Zealand, the trend and the moving of Aussie New Zealand, it was the same with the signal that it giving it. Okay, this is the Aussie New Zealand, and then giving us signal for selling, and then from 1.0922, and then the price is currently going down for about 30 point. So it's mean that the Aussie it's right now is currently it's going down. Okay, it's going down, the same with this area. So if you want to buy, I think, because sometimes after giving the signal from this area, the Aussie is currently going up, but I'll be waiting for another signal for that giving from the Aussie New Zealand. I will not open selling right now because it's currently too far away from this point of position, then I'm not selling. Better for me to waiting. Okay. Okay, let me check to another position. The gold is currently what about the yen? Yen is okay. This one is currently playing selling. Right now is going up after reaching from this low, and then price is now moving up. New Zealand yen. Let me check to the New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen must be the position signal must be contra. Yes, this one, the contra with the the trend. Yeah, 91.60 giving us signal for selling, and then the price is currently going up, so we'll be waiting that giving us signal for another buying or another sell. The signal for selling, it depend on which one we will choose. This one is Aussie yen. The Aussie yen is currently going up, but the signal is currently going down, giving us signal for selling, but price is from this low is currently going up. So the good news is if we're using this expert advisor as our signal for buying or for selling, we can hedge with the minimum losses. Even you are trying to using the stop loss, it doesn't matter, because I'll give you some example from this area, and then this one is the EA giving us signal for buying, for selling, and then we will open buying, of course, and then with the stop loss for about 20 pip below. We not hedge, but we give some signal for 20 pips from the open position, giving a signal, and then it's currently stop out, guys, from this area. So let me check to the another signal that giving us from this area. Look at this one, euro pound. Let me check to the euro pound, which one the signal is the best for us. Another look at this one, euro pound is currently so many open position. Okay, look at this one, euro pound. If you want to buying, I think the last signal is for selling, guys, euro pound, and then it's currently it's currently if you have some you put your stop loss 20 pips, so this will be your 20 pip stop loss. So right now you have some minus position, and then your stop loss is already in trigger. It doesn't matter, because this one euro Canadian, after euro cat, then this is euro pound, the euro Canadian. Which one? The euro Canadian is currently the same with the last signal that it giving us for selling. So right now the price is currently going down. So today we have so many open position that it was the same with the signal that EA open position. If EA giving a signal for buying, then the price is currently going up, and then when the price when the EA giving a signal for selling, then price is currently going down. So many signal that giving for signal for today, that it's currently, if you have some stop loss, and then I'm sure that your stop loss will be trigger, will be open, guys. So I think look at this one, giving okay. So that's why I'm using the hedge position. Hedging position is the currently the best trading system for me. No matter what, if I'm wrong, that I will hedge my position according to the moving of this pair. If I want to, from this area, euro Aussie, this one, the euro Aussie, let me check on the euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, look at this one, giving a signal for buying, and then 64, 63, the price currently is going down. Look at this one. So I mean if I get my position in the hedge right now, so I'll be waiting until another signal is released from this EA. Okay, Euro Aussie for the example. If signal for buying and then I'm selling I'm selling from this area 61.64, 63, my hedge will be around this area. I'll be waiting, not waiting that after my open is currently in hedge position. I'll be waiting Euro Aussie will give me some another signal, whether I want to selling or I want to buy. Okay, so that's why for me it will be good for us to waiting that it for us to giving some waiting, EA giving us some signal again, and or guys, or after reaching the area, after I'm hedging, after reaching the area, maybe not more than 50, I will close my positive position, and then I'll be give the stop loss, especially if I'm seeing this signal for this one is bearish engulfing. So let me check to the other signal EuroCAD. Look at this one. Okay, this one I'll be buying, must be buying open position, then not the hedge position from this area. Okay, so I will not close my positive, but because the price is currently so tiny, so I will not close it until it's reach some area to close my position. I'll be waiting until bullish engulfing another release in below. That is how I play euro dollar. Let me check to the euro dollar. This one the same. And then look at New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen. Let me check to this one, New Zealand. This is the New Zealand dollar. So this will be my hedge position. I'll be waiting until it's reach some area for maybe bullish or bearish engulf, so I can this one this one, guys. I will close, of course, in this area will be hedge 1.2594. This is my hedge position. My open will be hedge, guys. This one. Okay, this is my hedge position, and now I will close the positive open. This one must be positive, selling is positive. I'll be close around this area, and then I will give it and the buying signal, the buying opposition with the stop loss. Maybe this is my stop loss position. Okay, because I expected from this area that from this area it can do another higher again. Okay, another up again. This is how we play. If the price is currently going down, I don't care about that, because I do have some stop loss area. So even my stop loss is open and then I have some minus point, I don't care about that, because I choose the wrong side of all, on the wrong position. It doesn't matter we have some minus, because we already making some losses. It doesn't matter as long as that's not too much for me. It doesn't matter. Aussie New Zealand, look at this one, the example for the Aussie. Okay, This is must be my selling, my buying. After that, this will be my, I already explained. Okay, so many euro cans. Okay, it's already explained. Euro pound is already giving Canadian. Still play inside. This one is still play inside between buying and selling, so I will not do anything. Okay, this one is still play inside. Same. Let me check the New Zealand. New Zealand was euro, dollar, and this one. Look at this one. This is my selling, and then I will have this one my hedging position. So currently, if the price right now is giving us signal for a bearish engulfing, then I will close this buy. I will close this buying and then waiting until it's close to making some bearish engulfing, and then from this area expected that from this area the euro dollar yen will be going down little bit. Okay, because this is my expectation for dollar yen. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, have a nice day.